Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today we are going to cover count A and count X. Okay, so before understanding the count A and count X, we will be going through the first theoretical part. Then I'll show you the DAX and how it works in a data set. Okay, so yesterday we have covered average A and average X. Today we are going to cover count DAX. Okay, so count is used to count the total numbers of any given rows. Example, you have a data set. Okay, you have a data set of sales, and let assume you have five peoples, and five peoples have they are five employees, and five employees has their salary ranges. So we need to count the total of salaries. Okay, so what count do is count it calculate all the numbers. Okay, and it only counts numerical values, numbers, data, and strings. Okay, it ignores true and false. It will take it as non-supported. Okay, and it will count only numeric values. Whereas count A, it's little different. What it does is it calculates all non-blank data. Okay, if you have a data, it counts through the, like, it takes true and false as a value, and it calculates non-blank rows and columns. Okay, whereas count X, it's totally different. Whenever, if you see the X, it calculates on, row to row. It calculates basically row to row. Okay, and we can use filter on this as well, and we can't use filter on count and count A, but it depends upon the different scenarios. Okay, but in count X, we will be using filter to take out the any given solution. Fine. So now I'll take you to the data set. Okay, and then explain you how function of this works. So we will be understanding count and count A by this sales data. Okay, see, we have this sales data with us. Okay, so we have order ID, we have product, we have category, and we have sales, we have quantity, and we have discounts. Okay, so I have created count DAX. Okay, which shows we are about to calculate we are about to calculate total number of sales. Okay, this is the order ID, and this is the sales. So if you can see the data, uh, there is a order ID called 1002. Okay, and it is 0. And at 1005, you can see this is a blank. As you stated in count definition, it only takes numerical values. So in this, it will be counting 0 as a number. Okay, so it will be taking 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and this will be get ignored in count. If you see this, see, if you see this, we got the answer as 7. Okay, because in this data, the DAX formula is ignoring 1005 because it doesn't have any numerical value. Okay, hope you are clear with this count expression. Now when it comes to count A, what count A does is it takes true and false as a number, and it takes non-blank as well. It ignores null values. Okay, if we have null here, just let's assume we have a null here. Okay, so what it do is it's ignore this row, and it take as 7. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there is not, like, there is not a huge difference between count and count A. It works in a similar manner, but when it comes to count X, it's totally different. See, you, like, as I have stated earlier, count X and average X, they calculate on rows and rows data. Okay, see, this is the employee data which have Now I have created two DAX so that it would be easy for you. How DAX function is, see this. So what do we this is the employee data is the table name. Okay, what it's saying, if employee data, if performance score, if performance score, if performance score is greater than 4.5, then it is saying to calculate us, that score which has greater than 4.5. If you see in this data, uh, we have only two data which is greater than 4.4, that is 4.7 and 4.6. Okay, so if you see here our our formula, so you can see this. See, if I click on this, you can see only two, there are only two scores which are greater than 4.5. Okay, and when it's come to another formula, okay, what it is saying, hmm? uh, sa- we need to take out the salary of an employee which has greater than 6,000. This is the salary of the employee. If you can see this, okay, if you can see this, we can easily understand that only, see, only one, two, three, 4. There are only 4 people who have greater salary than 6,000. See, if you see here, you can see highest total high earners are only 4. So this is how count A and count X works. Okay, always remember, counts only take numerical values. Count A takes all blank values, but it won't take null values into consideration, whereas count X, it calculates row to row calculations. Okay, and filters and other things are used for context, and context and average X are used for the higher calculation. Okay, hope this provide you a clear understanding of how count A and context works. Okay, thank you for watching.